Hello, little learners. Get ready to enjoy a simple and fun story about a tortoise and two friendly geese. You will also learn new words with easy example sentences while listening to the story. Let's read, learn, and smile together. Story 7: The Tortoise and the Geese, Level 1. Once there was a tortoise. He lived near a river. He was slow but wise. One day, two geese came to the river. The geese were going to a far place. The tortoise wanted to go too. He asked the geese, "Can I go with you?" The geese said, "Yes, we can help you. Hold a stick in your mouth. We will fly, and you hold the stick." The tortoise held the stick tightly in his mouth. The geese held the stick with their beaks. They started to fly in the sky. The tortoise was happy. He looked down at the river, trees, and houses. Everything looked small. While flying, some people saw the tortoise. They laughed and shouted, "Look, the tortoise is flying." The tortoise felt proud. He wanted to speak. He opened his mouth and said, "I am flying with my friends." Suddenly, the tortoise fell down from the sky. He landed in the river with a big splash. The geese flew away. The tortoise learned a lesson: never be proud. He went home slowly and happily. Now let's learn the key vocabulary from the story, along with two simple example sentences for each word. 1. Tortoise, an animal with a hard shell that moves slowly. Example 1. The tortoise moves slowly. Example 2. I saw a tortoise in the garden. 2. Geese, birds that can fly and live near water. Example 1. I saw two geese in the river. Example 2. The geese fly in the sky. 3. Stick, a small piece of wood. Example 1. I found a stick in the park. Example 2. The dog plays with a stick. 4. Proud, feeling happy about yourself. Example 1. I am proud of my drawing. Example 2. She is proud of her school. 5. Boastful, talking too much about yourself. Example 1. He is boastful about his marks. Example 2. Don't be boastful in front of friends. Sixth lesson. Something important we learn. Example 1. I learned a lesson from my mistake. Example 2. The teacher gave us a lesson today. Great job, little star. You have enjoyed the story and also learned new vocabulary words with example sentences. Did you like the tortoise and the geese's adventure? If you enjoyed the story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next story time.